Good morning. I'm going to do a lesson this morning about solving some one-step equations that have subtraction in them. So I'd like to look at these 4 examples with you. You've already done a lesson about solving one-step equations that have addition, but let's look at some that have subtraction, like number 1. It says x minus 5 equal to 10. We've talked about how you isolate the variable and get the x by itself and use the inverse operation that's attached to the x. So here's the way I'd solve this. I would add 5 to both sides. I would work the equation going down my paper like vertically. So I've got an x here coming isolated. This cancels, and then I have 15. And remember with equations, they're fun, they're easy, and you can always check your work. So take your solution, plug it back in. 15 minus 5, does that give me 10? Yes. Look at number 2. Number 2's got subtraction in it. That's the operation that I want to think about. Like undoing, so I can get the m completely isolated. So here's the way I'd work an equation like that. I would say, okay, the opposite of subtraction is addition. I want to add to this side the negative 3 because I'm using an inverse to get rid of it. Remember, I want a 0 value there. M plus 0 equal to a number. So I have 7 plus a negative 3. I work down my paper, and that gives me 4. 7 plus a negative 3, signs are different. Subtract that sign the larger. So now I've got a solution. I'm going to take 4, plug it in right here for m to check it. So I have 4 minus a negative 3. So 4 minus negative 3 really is 7. So I know that this solution works. All right, let's look at number 3. Number 3 has k minus 12. Notice that 12's got parentheses around it. It just means it's a quantity. I want to get rid of it. So what I'm going to do now is add 12 to both sides. I'm going to work this going down my paper. So I have k, this cancels, equal to 4. Ooh, another 4. I'm going to plug that 4 back in to check it. 4 minus 12, is that negative 8? Yes. Look at my last problem, number 4. I have 36 equal to x minus negative 9. I want to get x isolated by itself. I'm going to use my inverse operation of addition. I'm going to do the same thing over here on the other side. I'm going to work this problem going down my paper. 36 plus a negative 9 is really 36 minus 9. So that would give me, I take 27. I plug that back in up there. 27 minus negative 9. Look how I check it. 27 minus negative 9. Add the opposite. Does that give me 36? Yes. All right. Good luck.